So this is a 2014 RAM ProMaster 2500. One of the works that I'm doing now is that on these power steering lines, I replaced from here to here. Had to remove the whole front bumper and grille. If you try to buy from your local dealer, you're talking about $500 just for the lines. If they do themselves, it's gonna be about $500 plus their labor. So I got this on a local store that sells hydraulic hoses and stuff. So there's another video that's up on my channel, and as you can see, a lot of oil was leaking. So I'm gonna show you the other reason that the vent won't start. See how this oil was from that. So right there is a your starter, and that what was done, a ground cable right there was added to the frame of the van. So that ground cable here, this ground cable here was added into the bolt that holds the starter, and then comes all the way to the back. Here, as you can see, and it's attached to the frame of the van on the top. There's a fuse box, and it's right underneath. There's a couple bolts where you can add it, but even over here, I think you can add it and remove this bolt out and put it right there, because this is for a ground also, so that's what was done. Ground cable from here to the frame of the van, and that helps the starter gets going, because the starter wasn't getting enough ground to start. So I'm gonna put the face back. This van, I got it from auction, and that could be part of the problems that it's having, but I really don't think, because there's a lot of people having the same issue that I have, and seems to me the van is has a trouble, So thank you for watching the video. A van, my van has only let me see here, 70 something thousand miles. Let me see if it's gonna show up there. 73,000 miles, and it's draining oil all over, so that could, I don't know what kind of engine wouldn't have that problem,